तुम विदेश जाना चाहती हो क्या? Would you like to go abroad? Would you like to go abroad? तुम नहीं आ रहे हो ना? You are not coming, are you? You are not coming, are you? मुझे उसकी चिट्ठी का जवाब देना है. I have to answer his letter. I have to answer his letter. मैं कल तुम्हारे पिताजी से मिला. I meet your father yesterday. I meet your father yesterday. मुझे साइकिल चलाना चलने से ज़्यादा पसंद है. I prefer walking to cycling. I prefer walking to cycling. मैं उसे सड़क पार करते हुए देखा. I saw him crossing the road. I saw him crossing the road. मेरे पास जो भी पैसे थे मैंने उसे दे दिए. I gave him what money I had. I gave him what money I had. मैंने उसे पहले कभी नहीं देखा था. I had never seen him before. I had never seen him before. मैं अपना काम कर चुका हूँ. I have already done my work. I have already done my work. मैंने उसे 3 बार देखा है. I have seen her 3 times. I have seen her 3 times. मैं कल उससे मिलने जाऊंगा. I will call on him tomorrow. I will call on him tomorrow. मैं इस रविवार ड्यूटी पर रहूंगा. I will be on duty this Sunday. I will be on duty this Sunday. माफ कीजिएगा, मेरे पापा अभी घर पर नहीं है. I am sorry, my father is out. I am sorry, my father is out. जहाँ भी घुसाना है घुसा दो. Insert it wherever you like. Insert it wherever you like. मैं उस बारे में कुछ बोल नहीं सकता. I can't really talk about it. I can't really talk about it. मैं नहीं चाहता था कि ऐसा हो. I did not want this to happen. I did not want this to happen. मुझे अभी खाना खाने का मन नहीं है. I don't feel like eating now. I don't feel like eating now. मुझे कॉफी पीना पसंद नहीं. I don't like to drink coffee. I don't like to drink coffee. मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत हूँ. I am more beautiful than you. I am more beautiful than you. मैं नतीजे से खुश हूँ. I am pleased with the result. I am pleased with the result. मैं दूध की 2 बोतलें खरीदी. I bought 2 bottles of milk. I bought 2 bottles of milk. मैं तुम्हें यह करने नहीं दे सकता. I can't allow you to do that. I can't allow you to do that. मैं तुम्हारे साथ एक हद तक सहमत हूँ. I agree with you to a degree. I agree with you to a degree. वह नगर 2 मील दूर है. That town is 2 miles away. That town is 2 miles away. जापानियों की आंखें काली होती है. The Japanese have dark eyes. The Japanese have dark eyes. गर्म पानी नहीं चल रहा है. The hot water is not running. The hot water is not running. कमरे में तंबाकू की महक थी. The room smelled of tobacco. The room smelled of tobacco. शांति से खड़े रहो. Stand still and keep silent. Stand still and keep silent. अपने मोजे उतारो. Take off your socks, please. Take off your socks, please. उस दिन के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you for the other day. Thank you for the other day. यहाँ धूम्रपान करना मना है. Smoking is not allowed here. Smoking is not allowed here. किसी ने दरवाजे पर खटखटाया. Someone knocked on the door. Someone knocked on the door. मैक्सिको में स्पेनिश बोली जाती है. Spanish is spoken in Mexico. Spanish is spoken in Mexico. उसने गलत नंबर मिला डाला. She dialed the wrong number. She dialed the wrong number. उसने कहा कि वो खुश थी. She said that she was happy. She said that she was happy. उसने $100 बचा लिया. She saved $100. She saved $100. उसका पर्स उससे चुरा लिया गया. She was robbed of her purse. She was robbed of her purse. वो अपने बालों को जूड़े में बांधती है. She wears her hair in a bun. She wears her hair in a bun. मुझे एक कप चाय दीजिए. Please give me a cup of tea. Please give me a cup of tea. कृपया धीमी आवाज में बात कीजिए. Please speak in a low voice. Please speak in a low voice. कृपया हल्की आवाज में बात कीजिए. Please speak in a low voice. Please speak in a low voice. देखो बाहर क्या हो रहा है. See what's going on outside. See what's going on outside. उसने उसको अकेले जाने दिया. She allowed him to go alone. She allowed him to go alone. मेरे भाई की याददाश्त अच्छी है. My brother has a good memory. My brother has a good memory. मेरे पापा अभी अभी घर वापस आए हैं. My father has just come home. My father has just come home. मेरी जीन्स पैंट धुलाई में सिकुड़ गई. My jeans shrink in the wash. My jeans shrink in the wash. जवाब ना देना भी एक तरीके का जवाब होता है. No answer is also an answer. No answer is also an answer. उस बड़े डब्बे को कोई भी नहीं हिला सकता. No one can move the big box. No one can move the big box. वह ईमानदार लगता है. It appears that he is honest. It appears that he is honest. यह उसकी चिट्ठी का जवाब है. It's an answer to her letter. It's an answer to her letter. उससे बहस करने में कोई फायदा नहीं है। It's no use arguing with him. It's no use arguing with him. नीचे रहो, नहीं तो तुम्हें गोली लग जाएगी। Keep down or you will be shot. Keep down or you will be shot. वह मेरे लिए बहुत कठिन था। It was too difficult for me. It was too difficult for me. मानो कोई सपना सच हो गया हो। It's like a dream come true. It's like a dream come true. हमें अपने खर्चे कम करने होंगे। Let's cut down our expense. Let's cut down our expense. मैरी को स्पा जाना पसंद है। Mary loves going to the spa. Mary loves going to the spa. मेरे पिता चीन जा रहे हैं। My father is going to China. My father is going to China. सब लोग मुझ पर हंसे। I was laughed at by everyone. I was laughed at by everyone. मैं वहाँ 10 बार जा चुका हूँ। I went there dozen of times. I went there dozens of times. मैंने पूरे दिन खेत में काम किया। I worked on the farm all day. I worked on the farm all day. मैं उसकी सुरक्षा के लिए परेशान हूँ। I am anxious about his safety. I am anxious about his safety. मैं 11 बजे की ट्रेन पकड़ रहा हूँ। I am catching the 11th train. I am catching the 11th train. मैक्सिको में स्पेनिश बोली जाती है क्या? Is Spanish spoken in Mexico? Is Spanish spoken in Mexico? करीबन 10 अरब येन होगा। It is about 10 million yen. It is about 10 million yen. अंग्रेजी बोलना मुश्किल होता है क्या? It is hard to speak English. It is hard to speak English. ये सरासर समय की बर्बादी है। It is a sheer waste of time. It is a sheer waste of time. यह मेरे लिए करना बहुत आसान था। It was easy for me to do so. It was easy for me to do so. मुझे पीठ में बुरी तरह से दर्द हो रहा है। I have a bad pain in my back. I have a bad pain in my back. मुझे विज्ञान और गणित दोनों पसंद है। I like both science and maths. I like both science and maths. मैंने उसके साथ तुम्हारा नाम लिया था। I mentioned your name to him. I mentioned your name to him. मैं तुमसे थक गई हूँ। I am fed up with you. I am fed up with you. मैं इस खाने से पक चुकी हूँ। I am fed up with this food. I am fed up with this food. मैं इस मौसम से थक गई हूँ। I am fed up with this weather. I am fed up with this weather. मैं इस गाड़ी से तंग आ चुकी हूँ। I am fed up with this car. I am fed up with this car. मैं इन किताबों से तंग आ चुकी हूँ। I am fed up with this book. I am fed up with this book. क्या मुझे पढ़ने की ज़रूरत है? Do I need to study? Do I need to study? यह सिर्फ सुनी सुनाई बात है। It's only a hearsay. It's only a hearsay. अभी फोन रखो। Put the call now. Put the call now. मुझे भड़काओ मत। Don't provoke me. Don't provoke me. उसने मुझे भड़काया था। He provoked me. He provoked me. वो मुझे भड़काती है। She provokes me. She provokes me. वह मुझे भड़का रही थी। She was provoking me. She was provoking me. वह सोचता ही रहा। He kept on thinking. He kept on thinking. तुम बदल गए हो। You have changed. You have changed. थोड़ी देर के लिए रोक दो। Please stop for a while. Please stop for a while. यह सरासर गलत है। It's completely wrong. It's completely wrong. क्या मुझे लंच करने की ज़रूरत है? Do I need to take lunch? Do I need to take lunch? क्या मुझे वहाँ जाने की ज़रूरत है? Do I need to go there? Do I need to go there? क्या मुझे स्कूल जाने की ज़रूरत है? Do I need to go to school? Do I need to go to school? उनके पास रहने के लिए कोई घर नहीं है। They have no house to live in. They have no house to live in. उससे गलती हो गई होगी। They must have made a mistake. They must have made a mistake. इस डब्बे में 5 सेब है। This box contained 5 apples. This box contained 5 apples. इस समस्या को सुलझाना बहुत कठिन है। This problem is hard to solve. This problem is hard to solve. टीवी चालू कीजिए। इसका जवाब आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में दीजिए। और हाँ, वीडियो थोड़ा भी अच्छा लग रहा है तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दें।